Welcome to Let's Roger That. I'm Gilles. Today's special surface grinder edition. We're going to trim the head of this Rockwell Delta surface grinder. Let's go. Now you've got one of these grinders and you've probably been wondering, okay, is it working right? Is the head trim? Did you even bother asking yourself that question? Well, neither did I until now. Check this out. Yeah, that's off, right? So we need to fix that. Well, by happenstance, oh yeah, I know, you're gonna tell me that little piece of cardboard interfering. Okay, it's off the cardboard now. It's still off. So how do you fix that? Well, I've got the answer for you. There's one of these here, and there's another one back here, see? Well, those are eccentric bolts, which means they don't turn round. They can lift or lower. So let's do that. Now there's two of them, right? One of the things you could do, of course, is put a level on here, and I might just do that, yeah, but putting a square here is a pretty foolproof method. It doesn't have to be, you know, stupid square. Square is good enough for me. So let's start. So first of all, you loosen this lock nut here, right? And give yourself plenty of room. Now, I discovered this by a complete mistake. I thought, hey, what's that for? So, I thought, wow, maybe it just needs to be tightened for reducing vibration. Okay, so what I'm gonna do here is I'm going to tighten and loosen, and you're gonna see this spin go up and down here. See, look, if I tighten, it goes up on the back. If I loosen, it goes down in the back. And of course, my second camera is picking up whether or not it's getting more or less square. So that's what an eccentric bolt will do. I mean, that is a significant amount of adjustment capability here. So there you have it. Nice little tip. Doesn't take a whole lot of messing around. And you get your grinding wheel completely straight or perpendicular to your mag chuck. So now when you do that, make sure you true your wheel again, and you're good to go. All right, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and take care, folks. Bye bye.